Good morning, one and all person here. I am Dr. Vairam, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics, BA College, Bodhi. Subject Business Correspondence. The business correspondence, the importance of the sales letters. Does your mind go blank when you beginning writing a sales letter? Do you have good idea that somehow don't come together on paper? If you so, you are not alone. There are common many business owner face. These 7 tips can help you write more effective sales letters. First one, be the consumer as you write. This is most important aspect of good sales letter. But it is often overlooked. Imagine yourself as the reader of your letter and write what the customer want to know, not what you want to say. You have one page to attract customers. You will lose up the opportunity if your sole emphasis is one of your business. Remember, your customer's main concern is fulfilling his or her needs and desires, not increasing the balance in your account. The second one, organize your letters. Sales letters, just like high school term papers, need an introductions, a body and a conclusion. In the introductions, tell why you are sending the letter. The body is your sales speech, where you will explain why your offer is irresistible. The conclusion wraps it up by briefly bringing your points together and asking the customers to take advantage of the offer. The third one, make it easy to read. The many sales letters are thrown away without beginning. Read simply because they appear to completed. Do not let this happen to you, as the following guidelines. The following guidelines, one of the write in a conventional style, just as a you would normally speak. Normally tones are usually unnecessary sales letters. You start sentence once you start writing more informally, you will notice you will getting the short. Then next one following is compose short paragraph. People like to have the break in the reading. Does not follow smoothly, should and sound natural. Rewrite it. The edit and them rewrite your letters besides beginning difficult to read. The misspelled words and grammar errors, the creatability and effectiveness your letters. The fourth following letters of the make it easier to read. The capture your readers' attention headline are not limited to ads. They can also be used the letters to tell readers something they want to do now is a bold way that create there is attentions. You can also use longer the following of the guidelines. The fourth one, capture your readers' attention. Headlines are not limited to ads. They can also be used in letter to tell readers something they want to know is a bold way that grabs attentions. You can also longer headline up to there are the 4 sentences. Present importance of information in either case, always make the headline compelling to so customers want to read the rest of the story. The fifth one, get your readers interested. Involve the readers in the letter, bringing it to life with study. Follow the interesting information. Write in an active voice. The build on your sentence and paragraph so the readers is encouraged to continue reading. Every sentence needs to be interesting. Readers can become boldly quickly. Bold quickly. The sixth one, make your readers want to your product or service. This is the best done answering the readers' questions, what is in it for me. People are the bombarded daily with the billboards, commercials and direct mail, all that airing to sell the something your letter can stand out by not selling but offering benefits. The people do not buy products or services, they buy the benefits directly. Sorry, the divided from there is a purchase. Remember, you are not selling dining room tables, you are selling a joyous cabin where his family is born and friendship the flourish. There is a big discriminations between the two approaches. The seventh one, ask your readers to take action. Potential customers want know what you want unless you tell them what to do next. If you want them to call you, say that is your letter and provide your phone numbers. If you want them to visit your facility, invite them to the stop by and give them clear directions and specific office hours. It is also important to support your readers to take action right way. The longer it is take them to the response, the less likely it is you will hear from them. If you are running promotion offer, the best sell for a limit time. If you only have few units available, be sure to the state that quantities are the limit. This generates urgency to follow up on letters. Thank you.